So we still have that tornado warning for much of Carlisle County, Kentucky, but now we've got a brand new severe thunderstorm warning for the southeastern part of Ballard County and the northwestern part of McCracken County. So let's go back and we'll check on that warning down toward the Boot Heel in Tennessee, because in fact that area is under a tornado watch right now, and those cells are also very, very strong, right? And I'm sure Wibbs or Grant will let me know if anything new is reported. But again, our policy is if we have a tornado warning, doesn't matter what state it's in, even Northeast Arkansas will be on the air because of the danger to you and your family. Luckily right now, this is just a radar indicated tornado, so we haven't had any reports of anything on the ground. It looks like we have a brand new warning. In fact, is that true? It would have been out of Memphis or out of Paducah? I guess Paducah and Memphis.
Severe thunderstorm warning down in the south. Yeah, that's out of Memphis. And again, that's there's two storms that we're watching out of the Memphis area. One is headed towards the Portageville area. That's with the warning for New Madrid. That's out of Paducah. And then there's another storm that, yeah, that's the brand new one. Okay, then there's another one that's headed towards Caruthersville.
Okay, so it's hard to see here, but there's a brand new warning that includes, it looks like parts of New Madrid County and then up into, I guess, is that Mississippi County as well?
And Fulton.
And Fulton, okay.
Yeah, it stops right at the Mississippi County line.
Okay, and the Fulton County, western Fulton County, Kentucky. And then we have this separate cell down here close to Caruthersville. In fact, it's almost over the western part of Caruthersville, also racing to the northeast. And that warning was from earlier, and that also includes much of northwest Tennessee.
And just to point out, Hayti Heights, where that storm is over right now near Caruthersville, right over that 84 marker that you had there, Brian, there is rotation developing right there as we speak. So there's Hayti. We're looking live at Hayti. That is one of the MoDOT cameras on I-55. Yeah. And we've got rotation now developing just to the west of Hayti. It's not extremely strong, but it is developing, Brian, so we're going to have to keep our eye on this storm very closely as it moves through Hayti and then heads towards Tiptonville eventually. So this is going to be moving through that area. The rotation will stay just to the north of Caruthersville.
Okay, maybe we should go back to radar real quickly. And here, yeah, so we're looking at this cell and this cell both currently, and we've got severe thunderstorm warnings for both of those cells. And as Grant was saying, there is some rotation showing up with both of these as they race to the northeast at about 60 miles an hour or so.
70 is the new
70
speed, so they have picked up a bit.
70 miles an hour. So that just gives you an indication at cloud level how strong the winds are. So if anything brings those winds down to the surface, you've got instant 70 mile an hour wind gusts, right? So let me put this back into a little motion here. Yeah, you can kind of see those racing to the northeast. Looks like that tornado warning is down for now. So you think we should stay with it? We'll stay with it. Maybe.
Well, no. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set things back to regular program for just a few minutes, get our bearings. I do think we're gonna have a couple more warnings. I want to make sure we're set and ready to go for the rest of this. Between now and noon, it looks like it could be off and on with tornado warning. So we're going to kind of catch our bearings real quick, and got our eyes on that storm near Hayti, but right now the rotation's not that intense, but it's getting a little stronger.
Okay. I'm sure you heard that at home, but since we don't have a tornado warning right now, we've got severe thunderstorm warnings. We are still going to be here, and we suspect that with the rotation that we're seeing, even though there may not be anything on the ground right now, we may have new tornado warnings issued at any point. So we're still here in the First Alert Weather Center. Any new warnings issued will be on the air right away. In the meantime, we'll send you, at least for now, back to regular programming.